Grassroots Digital Hub.
Technology helps us do lots of things every day. It helps us work, talk to people, and help our communities. One new tool is called artificial intelligence or AI. AI is a computer tool that can help us write, organize ideas, and think of new things. But like any tool, we need to use it safely and smartly. This guide makes suggestions on how to use AI in a responsible way. AI helps computers do things that people are used to doing for themselves. There is also something called generative AI. This means the computer can make new things when you ask it a question. For example, it can help write an email, give a short summary of a long story, share ideas, spell check a document, or explain something in simple words. AI can be helpful, but it can also make mistakes. When you type something into AI, it may be saved in the system. Some AI tools collect more information than others. For example, ChatGPT and Google Gemini may collect information you type and some online activity. Claude usually collects less information and focuses more on how the system is used. Because of this, you should never share private information with AI. Never share names of community members, phone numbers, addresses, personal stories people trusted you with. Protecting your privacy and the privacy of others is very important. Try to read the privacy policy and look for an opt out option. Hallucinations. When AI gets things wrong, sometimes AI makes mistakes called hallucinations. A hallucination means that AI says something that sounds true but is actually wrong. AI learns from many things on the internet, but it does not always know what is correct. For example, you as a community leader ask AI which local program gives free food every Friday in our neighborhood. AI might make up a program that doesn't exist. If you share this information with the community, people may show up and find nothing there. AI can help start ideas, but we should always double check important facts. Sometimes AI copies ideas or words from other places. This is called plagiarism. Plagiarism means using someone else's work and pretending or adopting it as your own. AI can write things like speeches, reports, resumes, emails. But many AI texts sound very similar and not very personal. For community leaders, this can be a problem. Your voice and ideas matter. Your community wants to hear your real story and experience. AI can help fix spelling or grammar, but the ideas should still be yours. AI can still be useful. You can use it to help with simple tasks. For example, you could ask AI to help make an Excel spreadsheet template for tracking volunteers or event plans. Then you can download the spreadsheet and use it on your computer. This way, you do not need to upload private community data into the AI system. You can use clear and specific AI prompt. For example, help me brainstorm ideas for a community event. You can ask suggestions from AI, but it should not replace experts like doctors, lawyers, or trained counselors. AI does not know a person's full history or story. It cannot see someone's health, safety, or emotions. Because of this, AI advice can be wrong or unsafe. Some governments are starting to make new rules about AI to help protect people. For example, leaders in New York want to pass a law that stops AI chatbots from giving professional advice. Before you share information, it is good to check if it's true. Some websites can help you do this. Snopes and factcheck.org help check if news or claims are real. To check if a photo is real, you can use Google reverse image search to see where a picture came from. Sometimes pictures and videos made by AI can look real, but they are fake. Here are some clues to help spot them. Look at hands and fingers. AI images sometimes have too many fingers or strange hands. Look for things that don't make sense, like objects floating or bending. Watch for weird movements in videos. Arms, faces, or mouths may move in strange ways. Check if the background looks blurry or messy. If something looks strange, check another source to see if it's real. These tools can help you make sure the information you share with others is correct. To summarize, here are some simple tips for using AI the right way. Do not share private or personal information in AI tools. Think twice before putting community or private photos into AI tools. Always check if what AI says is true before sharing it with others. Think of AI like a spell check tool. It can help you get ideas or review your grammar, but the work needs to be authentic to you. Read what AI writes to make sure it matches your values and is respectful. Choose your AI tools carefully. Some AI tools violate your privacy rights. It is also good to tell people when you use AI to help you. And it is always good practice to ask your participants if they are okay with AI being on, like in a Zoom meeting. Always remember, AI is just a tool. Think twice about how you use and what you use it for.
For more tips, visit grassrootsdigitalhub.ca.